Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to temporarily pause your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen you can see all the sections we can access like home, orders, products, and so on. And this is what we want to do if we want to pause our store. What we want to do is go right here at the settings icon in the bottom left corner, click on settings, and after clicking on settings, this is now going to open up this new settings menu where we can find all the website settings we have, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the plan section right here at the left side screen. And when you open up the plan section, this is now going to give you your plan details, what kind of plan you have. As you can see, I'm currently in a trial plan. If you have a premium plan, it's going to appear right here and so on. And basically guys, all you need to do to be able to cancel your plan and to pause your store temporarily is click the cancel option right here. After canceling your plan guys, you can click continue and cancel your plan, and once your plan is canceled, your store is no longer available. So if you want to bring back your store, all you need to do is just to go ahead and continue your plan or get a new plan and so on, and this is going to bring your store back. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.